Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh. So I saw something happening here and I thought I should share it immediately as it's happening so that you all can understand what it means to have a market condition. Okay, so let's start from here. Now as you can see from this part of the market was going up and a reversal pattern occurred. You see this reversal and now the market started going down, up, down, here, up, down, up. Now what I want you to take note of is this part of the market that goes from here, from this two deviation to the middle Bollinger Band. It comes to the two deviation again. It did not go, but here it comes. It could not get there, but one thing I want you to know, it came here, it comes to the middle, it came here, it comes to the middle, it came here and comes to the middle again. So one thing I want you to know, that for this, once you've seen this happening, then you can do the trade here. But that's not the only thing. That's just by the way. The most important thing now is the market condition. Now what condition has the market set for us to trade? And we have it from here. We see the condition. The market started from here. Now it gave us this reversal from the middle and this reversal from the middle. So the next time the market comes here, we can do our trade. If it comes here, we can do our trade. So with these two trades for this market condition, you are good to go. Now if this is the condition the market gives us, how do we know if the market condition has changed? This is why we have a trend line. Now if you go to the ebook, I showed you what a trend line means, the psychology of a trend line and how you can trade a trend line. Now if this is the trend line, what we see here is now what a break. Now when this happens, you should do nothing. You have to do nothing, because why? The market is going to give you the conditions you use to trade. You are not going to get that condition yourself. All you have to do is to wait for that condition to appear. And if you see to predict that condition, you can see that the Bollinger Band was coming down previously, but now the Bollinger Band, if you take note, is kind of flat. And for a flat Bollinger Band, the market condition will be what? Ranging. You see this is flat. It's no longer like this. It's coming flat, and the bottom is no longer like this, like it was. It's coming flat. So in a ranging market, what do? You no longer use the trend line trading strategy. You switch down to what? The support and the resistance. And so if when you know, okay, this is the strategy I'm going to use, how does the support and the resistance form? This is what you have to think about, and then you start trading. But why thinking about how a support and resistance form, why plotting out your levels? One thing you cannot control is the market. The market at this point might change the condition given to trade. So let's see what's going on now. Okay, now you see the ranging mode in the market did not last long. It was just this little place, and now a new condition has happened. We saw a breakout going out. Now so for this, we are going to say, okay, what can we notice about this market condition? We can see that the market will be going up for long. So I'll go for a 3 minutes and I'll do a 3-minute score. Why am I doing a 3-minute score? We can see that when this breakout happened with this candle, you see these 2 wicks here. I'm going to show you. You see these 2 wicks here. Now this was a market condition, and it lasted for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this condition lasted for just 12 minutes. Now the breakout happened. Now when the breakout happened, we saw what this wick here showing selling pressure, and this wick here showing buying pressure. We saw another of this wick showing selling pressure, and here showing selling pressure. Now if these 2 wicks are showing selling pressure, why is it that when the sellers came in from this wick of this candle, buyers once again came inside the market? What this is simply showing us is that this support and resistance, there are some traders who still are stubborn. You see, those traders who will not change their mind, they are still believing on this support and resistance trade. They still believe on this support and resistance trade. So what they do is that when the market broke out, they were still selling at this support, at this with this week. So their selling activity is what is reflected. But unfortunately for them, the buying pressure, the insiders who know that this market is now in a new condition, continued selling. And when I saw the first candle with no wick here, I saw the second candle with very negligible wick here, then I knew. And I saw these wicks. You see, this week sellers could not even take the market down before buyers came in. Buyers came in immediately. So I know that the selling pressure, the buying pressure is going to be high. Now this is not an overbought area. Now the overbought area happens when the trend is extended. This is just the beginning of the trend, so it cannot be an overbought area. So let's see how this trade goes, so that we can know how we can take advantage of what different market condition that the market presents to us. So as we can see, the trade is still going up. It's still going up. So we have some few seconds left to go. And this is how you should